when the work is tough, our workwear is tougher. Dromex is Southern Africa's leading supplier of personal protective equipment, including hard-wearing workwear and specialized safety wear for extremely hazardous environments. To deliver on our promise of supplying workwear that offers maximum protection in both quantity and quality, Dromex Globale successfully opened in September 2019 and has almost doubled production capabilities. Dromex Globale is our very own SABS-approved state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, covering 8,000 square meters and utilizing the latest technology and systems to produce workwear tailor-made to suit specific industries, strategically designed and rigorously tested to meet local and international quality standards. What makes us special? Our passion, our products, and our people. Dromex Globale produces workwear that is made by the people for the people. We pride ourselves on our happy and caring work environment with an on-site clinic and spacious rest areas. We provide direct employment for over 1,000 employees from the local community, upskill them with training, and give them the ongoing support they need to keep making workwear that's trusted around the world. We're proud of our efficiency and manufacture between 250,000 to 300,000 garments every month. So we're always ready to deliver on demand. No waits, no delays, no costly downtime. From our staff to our facilities, from high-tech production to distribution, Dromex Globale ensures maximum protection, comfort, efficiency, and quality. No compromises. Dromex. Safety exceeded. Safety anytime, anywhere.